Hey, welcome back to another video, guys. So, we're doing our weekly unboxing from Lunar. So, let's see what we got from DC. So first up, put this off to the side. We end up getting Battle Beast. Battle Beast number 12. And then this is the variant cover. We end up getting Green Arrow, Absolute Green Arrow number 4. We got that in. So, we got more of the Battle Beast. We end up getting Absolute Flash 18. So that is now in stock. Some of our back orders came. Batman 12. Different cover for Absolute Flash. Bear with me, guys. We got more Battle Beast. So we got plenty of copies of that. Another copy of Green Arrow 4. Really love that cover. That's really another cover. Here's another variant cover. More of the flashes. So what do we got here? More of the Green Arrow. That just came in. So we got plenty of covers of those. And that is pretty much it. So let's recap. We got Green Arrow number 4. We got the variant cover. Absolute Flash. Absolute Flash. Another Green Arrow variant. Batman 12. Invincible Battle Beast. The variant. And that's all we got in this week. And I'll see you next week. Until next time. Peace.